The invisible assistant, how AI books clients without you lifting a finger. Imagine having an assistant, one who never sleeps, never forgets, never calls in sick. An assistant who responds to leads immediately, follows up automatically, books clients into your calendar, and keeps your pipeline full without you having to do a thing. Sounds impossible? It's not. It's AI automation, and it's available to your business right now. At Hire James AI Automation, we build systems that function like your own invisible assistant, working in the background 24/7, handling your client journey from first click to booked call. You don't need more staff. You don't need more time. You need a smarter system. Let's walk through how it works. Step 1. The first contact a potential client finds your business. They click a link, fill out a form, call your number. What happens next? In most businesses, nothing. Maybe a delayed reply. Maybe a forgotten follow-up. Maybe just silence. But in your system, instant response. Your AI assistant sends a personalized message right away. Hi, thanks for reaching out. Here's how we can help. It may be a text, an email, or both automatically triggered. That first response often makes the difference between a cold lead and a new client. Step 2. The follow-up flow. Not every lead converts right away. Most need reminders. They need to feel nurtured, seen, remembered. That's where your automation kicks in. Over the next few days, your system sends a sequence, a follow-up text, a reminder email, a booking prompt with your calendar link, a message that checks in at just the right moment. Every message is pre-written, pre-timed, on brand. You're not chasing leads. Your system is guiding them. Gently, consistently, effectively. Step 3. Booking without the back and forth. No more. What time works for you? Are you free Thursday? Oops, double booked again. You just send a link. Your system shows real-time availability. The client picks a slot. It's confirmed. It lands on your calendar, clean, automated, organized. They get reminders. You get notified. No stress. No missed opportunities. Your AI assistant just booked your next call while you were working, resting, or completely offline. Step 4. After the booking, most businesses stop once the appointment is set. But the invisible assistant keeps going. It sends pre-call reminders, reduces no-shows, and even follows up after the meeting. Thanks for your time today. Here's what's next. Would you mind leaving a quick review? Now your assistant is collecting testimonials, boosting your credibility, and setting you up for more success without any extra effort. Step 5. Reporting and optimization. You log in and see everything in one place. Every lead, every conversation, every scheduled appointment, every review request, every stage of your sales funnel. Your dashboard tells you what's working, what's converting, and where your time is best spent. This is not just a tool. This is a full-time assistant you don't have to manage. No hiring, no payroll, no micromanaging, just results. It works on time every time. It never forgets a lead. It never misses a message. And it keeps your business running even when you're not in the room. This is the power of automation. This is how you scale without burning out. This is how you finally get your time back. Reflection for today. How many hours are you losing each week to back and forth scheduling? How many leads are falling through the cracks because Nune follows up in time? How many of those could have become paying clients if you had help? You don't need to work harder. You need smarter systems. You don't need to hire more people. You need one invisible assistant who never stops working for your business. Let us build it for you. Start booking clients automatically. Start growing while you rest. Start turning clicks into clients without lifting a finger. The assistant is ready. Are you?